Hello, and welcome to Dream Interpretations. Today we are diving into one of the most common and often distressing experiences in the world of sleep, dreaming that your teeth are falling out. If you have ever woken up in a cold sweat, reaching for your jaw to ensure everything is still in place, you are certainly not alone. This vivid dream has puzzled humanity for centuries, appearing across cultures and generations with remarkable consistency. From a psychological perspective, teeth represent much more than just tools for eating. They are symbols of our personal power, our confidence, and our ability to effectively communicate with the world around us. When we dream of losing them, it often reflects a deep-seated feeling of powerlessness or a fear of losing control in our waking life. Perhaps you are currently facing a major transition, like a career change or a difficult breakup, and your subconscious is processing the vulnerability that comes with starting over or feeling unsupported. Furthermore, teeth are tied to how we present ourselves to others. A dream about crumbling or missing teeth may indicate a struggle with self-image or an intense fear of being judged. It suggests a moment where you feel socially exposed or unable to bite back against the challenges you are facing. In some psychological schools of thought, this dream is also intrinsically linked to communication. Are you holding back something you desperately need to say, or do you regret words that have already escaped your mouth? Spiritually, many interpret the loss of teeth as a sign of renewal or a significant life shift. Just as we lose our primary teeth as children to make room for permanent ones, this dream can signal that you are shedding an old version of yourself to make way for profound internal growth. It is an invitation to examine where you feel fragile and where you need to rebuild your inner strength. As you reflect on this dream, ask yourself where in your life you feel a lack of agency. By understanding the message behind the imagery, you can transform this nighttime anxiety into a powerful tool for self-discovery and emotional healing. Your dreams are not meant to scare you, they are a bridge to your deepest self, guiding you toward balance and clarity.